how did Sarasota, no, sorry, Tampa, I'm stuck
Mhm.
on my area.
Yeah.
Tampa bounce back from the storms, would you say?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's pretty impressive. Definitely, it takes time. A lot of the homes that took a lot of water in, it almost. I agree with you that you can actually get construction done so much faster in Minnesota, which almost seems counterintuitive when you think we have a whole
Yeah.
season that is a lot colder. But it just seems like it was kind of slow in getting a lot of these rebuilt. They
I
obviously
think
tore
they
a
were
lot
too
of them down.
busy. They were
Mhm.
just
Yeah,
they were cut
overwhelmed.
too thin.
Mhm.
Yeah, they were just
Yeah,
Materials.
yeah, yeah.
Materials were a big thing too.
And work, yeah. And I think, as far as getting the cleanup, that part was pretty impressive. As far as, people being able to really do rehab and, of their properties, it just seemed like contractors were stretched thin and it just took forever and ever and ever. But nicely, this past season, finally, most of those homes seem like they're pretty much ready to sell.